Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Moments with Annie. Today's vlog is just me spending a slow day at home. I cleaned, fixed up a few things around the apartment, and of course, while doing that, something still managed to fall into my eye. But it's all part of the real life setup. So let's get into this video. Something just entered my eyes now when I was trying to fix the curtain. So that will be all for today's vlog, guys. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, guys. Now, next thing I'll be doing is just take my shower, but I don't want the video to be too long. That's why I'm going to be shooting that maybe in some other videos. So see you guys in my next video.